you've got like 5 Tree of Heaven over here. You said you whacked them back in the fall, and then now we've got like 15 feet or so. But and it probably spread, because what happens is the tree panics and it sends out a bunch of root suckers. So you got to use chemicals on this. You got to use triclopyr. Follow the Penn State extension article, and the instructions. There's 3 ways to deal with this, as I understand it. Dig out. You missed the window there. Spraying, the foliar spray. These are too big. Actually, sorry, there's 4. The hacking and squirting of the bark. So when they're, I think it's 6 inches wide, maybe. These are not that wide yet. And then the 4th is the basil bark painting, basically. So I forget how many feet off the ground. 3 maybe. I don't remember. You get the triclopyr and you use something else, some kind of like kerosene or some other kind of substance like that, and you just literally paint it on the bark. Then it dies, and then a year later you can come in and cut these down. But look at the article, make sure that's correct. Buy the chemicals, use whatever protective gear you want, follow the instructions on the label, okay?